Ever wondered why our knuckles crack? So, inside your joints, there's this fluid called synovial fluid. When you stretch or pull your fingers, you actually create a little space in the joint, and that drop in pressure causes gas bubbles to form and pop. That popping sound, that's literally a bubble bursting. Wild, right? And no, cracking your knuckles doesn't give you arthritis. That's a myth. There's even a doctor who cracked the knuckles on just one hand for decades. No difference at all. He just annoyed people. So yeah, if you're a chronic knuckle cracker, you're not broken. Just bubbly. Hit follow for more random body facts.